Hello students of Standard 9. Today we will learn vocabulary section, homophones and homographs. A homophone is a word that is pronounced the same as another. It is a sound alike, but which differs in meaning and spelling. Example here is given. CITE is sight, SIGHT is also sight, and SITE is also sight. So the spellings are different but the sound is the same. So we will do an exercise and learn through example. Write a homophone against each of the following. The first one, 8, EIGHT. The homophone will be ATE, 8. Second one, ALOUD, allowed. The answer will be ALLOWED, allowed. The third one, HOUR, homophone will be OUR. The fourth one, BEET, that is beetroot, and the answer or homophone is BEAT. BLEW, blue, homophone will be BLUE, blue. The next one, FOWL, foul, and the homophone will be FOUL, foul, which is a bad smell. Seventh one, KNEW, new, so homophone will be NEW. Then we have CHORD, cord, and the homophone will be CORD, cord. The next one, DEW, dew, drops that fall, and the homophone is the word DUE. The last word, FARE, fair, the homophone will be FAIR. Choose the correct homophone from the given pairs and fill in the blank. Two words are given. They may sound the same but the meaning is different. So you should know the meaning, only then you can fill in the blank. Now the two words which are given, ascent. The first assent meaning is climb and the second assent meaning is approval. There was a loud murmur of assent, ASSENT. The dash grew steeper. The ascent, ASCENT, grew steeper. He has been released on dash, so it is BAIL. The fire destroyed a dash of cotton, so answer will be BALE, bale of cotton. I want to dash my flat. I want to sell, SELL, sell my flat. Dash is the smallest structural and functional unit of an organism, so the answer will be CELL, cell. The body perceives an external stimulus through one of the dash. Answer will be senses, SENSES. The dash is done every 10 years. So answer will be CENSUS, senses. She sprayed dash over her body. So the answer will be SCENT, sent. I dash her an email. So the answer will be SENT, sent. A homograph, on the other hand, is a word that is spelled as the same as another. It is look alike, but which differs in sound and meaning. Example, tear, the meaning is to pull apart, and tear, which is secretion from the eye. So we will do an exercise. Write the different meanings of the given homograph. First one is bow and bow. Bow means a weapon for shooting arrows, and bow means to bend the upper part of the body or head as a mark of respect or a sign of greeting. Second word is content and content. So content means a state of peaceful happiness, and content means things that are included in something. The next word is lead and led. So the answer of lead will be to show someone the way to a destination, and lead, a heavy bluish gray metal. The fourth word is live and live. So the meaning of live is to remain alive, and live meaning is as or at an actual event. The last one, that is minute and minute. So the answer, the meaning is a period of time equal to 60 seconds, and minute means extremely small. The students practice some more sentences. Thank you.